Welcome, intrepid viewers, to our channel. Today our focus turns to some of the Earth's most enigmatic features, lakes. Prepare yourselves to witness nature's capacity for the unexpected. Our first destination lies in the volcanic highlands of Cameroon, West Africa, Lake Nyos. This crater lake, nestled within an inactive volcano, appears deceptively placid. However, beneath this facade lies a hidden and dangerous phenomenon. The lake bed releases carbon dioxide from magma deep within the Earth. On August 21, 1986, a disturbance triggered a limnic eruption. A massive cloud of carbon dioxide silently swept down the valleys. Over 1,700 people and countless livestock perished, a stark reminder of nature's potent forces. We journey now to East Africa, to the Gregory Rift in Tanzania, home to Lake Natron. This shallow, salt and soda lake presents an otherworldly spectacle, its waters often tinged with hues of red and pink. Lake Natron is a place of extreme conditions, with a pH level as high as 10.5, almost as alkaline as ammonia. Despite its inhospitable nature to most life forms, Lake Natron is a critical breeding ground for lesser flamingos. Our exploration takes us next to the Caribbean, to the island of Dominica. Here, nestled within the Morne Trois Pitons National Park, lies the aptly named Boiling Lake. The Boiling Lake is a raw, untamed display of Earth's geothermal power, a place where the planet's inner heat breaks through to the surface with spectacular and dangerous intensity. We return to Africa, to the border of Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo, where Lake Kivu lies. This vast body of water contains enormous quantities of dissolved methane gas and carbon dioxide. A major geological event could trigger a massive release of these gases. This would have unimaginable consequences for millions living along Lake Kivu's shores. Recognizing this threat, there are ongoing projects to extract the methane gas. Our journey now takes us to North America, specifically to Mammoth Lakes, California. Here lies Horseshoe Lake, a seemingly idyllic spot popular with hikers and visitors. However, this picturesque lake and its surrounding area conceal an invisible and deadly threat. High concentrations of carbon dioxide gas seeping from the ground. Warning signs are now prominently displayed around the affected areas, advising visitors of the potential danger. We now travel to the Ural Mountains of Russia, to a site of human-made danger, Lake Karachay. This lake, within the Mayak Production Association, was once one of the most polluted places on Earth. The Mayak plant dumped high-level radioactive waste here. While no longer an open body of water, the site remains profoundly hazardous. Our attention now shifts to one of North America's 5 Great Lakes, Lake Michigan. While renowned for its beautiful sandy beaches, Lake Michigan also possesses a formidable and dangerous character. Its vast expanse can generate weather conditions akin to those found on the open ocean, and its waters conceal perils that have claimed countless vessels and lives over the centuries. Lake Michigan, for all its beauty, demands profound respect for its inherent dangers. We venture now to the remote southern coast of Western Australia, to Middle Island. Here lies a truly extraordinary natural spectacle, Lake Hillier. What makes this lake remarkable is its vibrant bubblegum pink color. The exact cause of Lake Hillier's unique color was a mystery, but research points to a specific species of microalgae. Lake Hillier remains a captivating example of life adapting to extreme conditions, creating scenes of surreal and unforgettable beauty. Our journey takes us to Jiangxi province in southeastern China, to Lake Poyang. This vast lake is a vital habitat for migratory birds, including the critically endangered Siberian crane. However, Lake Poyang is also shrouded in mystery and fear, having earned the ominous nickname Waters of Death, or China's Bermuda Triangle, due to a disturbing number of unexplained ship disappearances and maritime incidents. The enigma of Lake Poyang's deadly waters continues to baffle investigators and fuel local legends. We now travel to the remote and frigid expanse of Siberia in Russia to witness the majesty and inherent dangers of Lake Baikal. This colossal body of water is the world's oldest and deepest lake. In winter, Baikal transforms into a realm of ice, presenting both breathtaking beauty and significant peril. The lake's immense size, thermal vents, methane seeps, and strong winds create a dynamic and often treacherous icy landscape. Venturing onto Lake Baikal's frozen surface requires expert knowledge and extreme caution. Our exploration returns us to the African continent, to Lake Tanganyika. This immense lake is the world's second oldest freshwater lake, the second deepest and the longest freshwater lake on the planet. However, the serene beauty of Lake Tanganyika belies its inherent dangers, including large and aggressive Nile crocodiles and highly territorial hippopotamuses. Sudden, violent storms can also whip up on the lake with little warning, generating large waves that can easily capsize small boats. We journey now to South America, to northwestern Venezuela, where we find Lake Maracaibo. Lake Maracaibo is globally renowned for an extraordinary and persistent atmospheric phenomenon, the Catatumbo lightning. This is a display of nature's electrical fury that occurs with remarkable frequency and intensity over the area where the Catatumbo River flows into the lake. Despite its predictability, the sheer power and relentlessness of the Catatumbo lightning make Lake Maracaibo a place where the sky itself is a constant electrifying hazard. Our next destination is Louisiana, in the southern United States, where a bizarre industrial accident transformed Lake Peigneur. On November 20th, 1980, a Texaco oil rig punctured the Diamond Crystal salt mine. The entire lake drained into the mine like water down a bathtub drain. This event shows how human activity can trigger dramatic geological disasters. Our journey takes us to the most remote continent on Earth, Antarctica. Buried nearly 4 kilometers beneath the East Antarctic ice sheet lies Lake Vostok, the largest subglacial lake. This freshwater body has been isolated from Earth's atmosphere and sunlight for millions of years. Lake Vostok remains a frontier of scientific discovery, a hidden world challenging to explore safely and responsibly. For our final destination, we return to North America's Great Lakes, to the mightiest of them all, Lake Superior. By surface area, it is the largest freshwater lake in the world, and by volume, the third largest. Lake Superior is infamous for its sudden and violent storms, particularly the gales of November, which can generate hurricane-force winds and colossal waves. Lake Superior's raw power, its unpredictable moods, and its capacity for generating ocean-like fury serve as a constant reminder of nature's dominance. Our journey through 15 of the world's most mysterious and dangerous lakes concludes. From the silent threat of Lake Nyos to the petrifying waters of Natron, the boiling fury of Dominica's Cauldron, and the icy grandeur of Baikal and Superior, we have witnessed nature's astonishing and terrifying power. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Until next time, keep exploring and wondering.